Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to copy Strava activities link. So here's the easy workaround on how you can easily copy the Strava activities link. So if you're on the mobile app, open the Strava app on your phone, then tap the profile tab, then tap on the activities you want to share, then tap the three dot menu in the top right corner, select the copy link or share, then choose copy if prompted. Then the activities link is now copied. You can paste it anywhere: messages, email, or post. Then if you're on the website version, go to the strava.com, then log in into your account using your account credentials, then click the dashboard or go to your profile, click the title of the activity you want to share. Then after that, in your browser address bar, right click and copy the URL. Then that's your activities link. Paste it anywhere you need it, and that's how you can easily copy Strava activities link. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.